Ever wondered why your toilet doesn't flush properly sometimes? It's easy to jump to the conclusion that it's a plumbing issue, but often it's the result of incorrect flushing techniques. So how can you ensure a proper flush every time? Let's dive in. First, understand the basic design and function of your toilet. It's a simple system. The tank stores water, the bowl receives waste, and the handle triggers the flush. Together, they make the magic of modern sanitation happen. Now that you know your toilet a bit better, it's time to learn the correct flushing procedure. Here's a simple, step-by-step guide to flushing your toilet correctly. First, before you even touch the handle, take a moment to make sure that the toilet bowl isn't overfilled. If it is, you'll need to resolve the issue before proceeding. Next, when you're ready to flush, don't be shy. Firmly press the handle down. Hold it for a few seconds to ensure that the toilet's internal mechanisms have time to kick into gear. Now, release the handle. The water in the bowl should start to drain. It's important to wait until the bowl refills before you move on. This signals that the flush has been completed correctly. By following these steps, you should be able to achieve a successful flush. So to recap, we've delved into the anatomy of your toilet and walked through the right way to flush. Understanding your toilet and adopting the correct flushing technique are crucial. Remember, a proper flush not only keeps your toilet working efficiently, but also helps conserve water. Happy flushing!